Okay, so LC has some bracelets. The number of bracelets is a multiple of 4. After buying 6 more bracelets, the total number of bracelets she has is a multiple of 3, but less than 30. How many bracelets does LC have at first? This one, you can use like the guess and check table, but for the multiples. Okay, I did this before in level 2, I remember. Like this. So you draw a table. Then you cut it up into like 2 columns, 2 rows, I mean. Okay, the top one, it will be the multiples of 4. The below one, you need to plus 6 because when she buys 6 more, it is plus 6. Okay, 6 more like this. All right. So multiples of 4 is, then we cut up into a few columns lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just add one more in case not enough. Okay, like that. So multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Then must plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 8 plus 6 is 14. 12 plus 6 is 18. 16 plus 6 is 22. 20 plus 6 is 26. 24 plus 6 is 30, like this. So I want to know the number is less than 30. It must be less than 30. So if you look at the number, how many bracelets does LC have at first? So if you look at the number, it must be a multiple of 4. But when she buys 6 more, it must be a multiple of 3. Now look at the final row here. Which one is a multiple of 3? 30 is a multiple of 3. 18 is a multiple of 3. So it's between 18 and 30. But it must be less than 30. So out. So it's this one. Now we look at the number on top. What is it? 12. So it is not 24, but 12, right? Nurul wants to buy 20 donuts. If she buys 1 donut, it will cost $2. And if she buys a box of 6 donuts, it will cost $10. What is the least amount of money Nurul has to spend to get 20 donuts? All right. So you want to buy donuts. Now, let's look at the box of 6. So when you go to Dunkin' Donuts or Krispy Kreme or wherever the donut, they always sell in boxes, right? They will ask you, how many you want? Then you will say half a dozen, 1 dozen. Half a dozen means 6 pieces. Dozen means 12 pieces. So they always sell in boxes, box of 6. So in this case, also box of 6. So 1 box, this is 1 box. Right? So 1 box costs $10. And how many do I have in 1 box? I get 6 donuts. Okay? So you just take note. Now I want to buy 20 donuts. If I want to buy the boxes, which is 6, I look at multiples of 6. Right? So let's look at multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 equals to. So I have 6, 12, 18. So I can buy 18 donuts, right? I can buy 18 donuts for the boxes, right? How many boxes can I get then? It will be 1, 2, 3. I can get 3 boxes. So 3 box of 6 donuts. I can buy this. Okay, which is 1 box is $10. So $10 times 3 equals to $30. But I only get how many donuts? This is only 18 donuts there. This is 18 donuts. Not enough, right? I want to buy 20 donuts. So what is the difference of the number of donuts left that I need? I want 20. Now I only get 18. How many more do I need? I need 2 more donuts. All right. So 2 more donuts means I need to buy individually. So 1 donut is $2. 1 donut is $2. So I want 2 more donuts. 1 donut is $2. 2 donuts is $2 times 2 equals to $4. So now how much will she spend then? $30 for the boxes and individually is 4. So 30 plus 4 equals to $34. Very good. Wafa was correct. 8. So Joanna prepared 7 times as many tuna sandwiches as chicken sandwich at first. 36 tuna sandwich were eaten. She prepared another 36 chicken sandwiches. Then she had the same number of tuna sandwich and chicken sandwiches in the end. How many sandwiches did Joanne have in the end? Okay, for this one, if you want to draw model, can. But drawing model, you need to draw it properly. Okay, there is another method to do this, and that method is actually the all changing quantity concept. Okay, okay, I will try to do that concept with you all, because since you're already P4, but you have to listen properly. All changing quantities concept. Okay, listen properly. So for all changing quantities concept, you need to identify the B, the C, and the A. The before, the change, and the after. All right. So for the before, the B, it's always the first sentence, which is 7 times as many tuna as chicken sandwich, which means the tuna sandwich is 7 units, the chicken sandwich is 1 unit. And this is my before information. So before, do I have it? Yeah, check. All right. Now, next one, the change. Change is what happened in the question. So what happened means, you look at the second sentence, 37 tuna sandwiches were eaten. And then she prepared another 36 chicken sandwiches, which means if it's eaten, the tuna gets lesser and then the chicken gets more because she add another. This is my change, or my C. Check. All right. What happened? 36 tuna were eaten minus chicken made some more, so we will add them up. Okay. Now let's look for the after. So she had the same number of tuna sandwich and chicken sandwich in the end. So this is my A, my after. Done. What is it? Same number of tuna and chicken in the end. After everything is done, same number. Okay. So what do I do with this question? I'm going to draw a table, okay, to indicate the information. Cut it up into 2 columns. One to write down your tuna sandwich. Another one is your chicken. Before, change, and after. Okay, to me, this is easier than your model. Why? Because model you have to draw properly. You don't draw properly, you don't bring or bring forward or bring backwards properly, everything is wrong. But for this one, you just draw the table, take your information, put it inside the right box. Okay, let's look. Before tuna, before is here. Tuna is here. What is the thing that you're gonna write here? 7 units. Okay, then before chicken, before is this row. Chicken is this one, 1 unit. Now change tuna. Change is this one. Tuna is this 36 minus 36. Now the next one, chicken. She prepared another 36 chicken plus 36. Then in the end, they are the same, equal. Because whatever tuna have, chicken will have the same in the end. But I do not know yet. So what you're going to do is you go down the floor, go down the column. So the after is 7 unit minus 36. This one is 1 unit plus 36. Remember that this is equal to this. Rewrite it out. 7 unit minus 36 equals to 1 unit plus 36. Okay, then we are going to group all the units to one side. So usually when we are grouping them, you are comparing them. So we are comparing the units. Minus equals to 36 plus 36. So 6 unit is 72. 1 unit is 72 divided by 6 equals to 12. Now in the end, I want to know the number of sandwiches she have. In the end, the total number of sandwiches in the end. So which means you need to find our total units, okay? So if you look at the total units, you look at the tuna, there is 7 units, right? So you find 7 units equals to 12 times 7. And you are going to get, it's 12 times 7, 84. Just to double confirm. Yeah, correct, 84. 84. But you don't stop there because there is a minus 36. Minus 36. So 84 minus 36 will give you 48. Okay, so this one is 48. If this is 48, then here also 48, correct? Because they are the same, okay? So what you're going to do is you plus this together, becomes 96. That is your answer, 96. All right, so another way to do this is via your model. Via model, we're just going to draw here. So I have tuna and chicken. So at first it's 7 units, so you draw 7 parts. I'm going to draw a small one, just a fast one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the chicken is 1 part, right? Then what happened is she added another 36. So you have to know how to add, okay? And then she take away 36. So in the end, it must be equal, right? So I must have this much. I must have this much. So both of them have equal like that. Okay? So this is eaten. This is added. Understand? This is added. This is eaten. Okay. And both of them are 36. Okay. Minus 36 plus 36. Okay. So you see, it is quite confusing. So you can actually see that this 36 and this 36 like this, right? There is a difference there, which means you need to find how many units belongs to the 36, which is 6 unit lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why it's 6 unit is 72. 36 plus 36. I don't prefer this. I prefer this one. So make sure you try to do using the all changing quantities concept. Answer is 96. So this question just now I mentioned to you is difference unchanged concept. So this is difference unchanged concept. Please take note now. All these are important concept you need to learn for P4. For this one, drawing model is still okay. Okay, so I'm going to still use model because it's easy lah, same. But if you want to use a table, the units which is faster. The units table method just now I taught you is the fastest. Okay, to solve any question, less than 5 minutes. Ďurai Raju had a total of $90. After each of them spent $15, which means each of them, Ďurai spent 15, Raju spent 15. And when I say spend means minus. Then Ďurai had 5 times as much as Raju. All right. So we are going to work with the end because I want in the end, right? So I work with what they have in the end. This one, Ďurai had 5 times as many as Raju. So 5 times means 5 unit. Raju will have 1 unit. Ďurai and Raju. So you draw Ďurai 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Raju 1 part. Like this, okay? Then you know that this is in the end. This is in the end. Right. Then I want to put back whatever they spend. They spend $15, right? So this is an effect after they spend 15. They spend $15. Here also spend $15. So roughly the 15 make it the same lah, okay? Okay, like that. So you know that this $15 is redundant. I just want to take them away because this is what they spend. This is what they spend. They spend already. Okay. And then they have $90. Okay. So this $90 is after they before they have spent, right? This $90 is before they have spent. So if you want to know what they have now in the end, you must take your $90, take away the spending of $15, take away the spending of $15 equals to $60. And $60 actually is for the leftover units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 unit is $60. 1 unit is, to find 1 unit is always divide. 60 divided by 6 equals $10. Now, Dura have how much in the end? In the end, he have 5 units. There, right? 5 unit is $10 times 5 equals to $50. Done. Okay?